Hi everyone, course BSc, subject physics, paper quantum mechanics first, astrophysics and nuclear physics first, chapter or subtopic problems presented by Bommalingaya B. In Rutherford's scattering experiment, the number of alpha particles observed at an angle of 10 degree is 1 million per minute. How many particles per minute will be observed at an angle of 90 degree and 180 degree? Here, according to the scattering formula, n equals n naught nt divided by 16 r square into z square by pi epsilon naught m v square into cosecant 4 theta by 2. So therefore n equals k into cosecant 4 theta by 2, where k equals n naught nt divided by 16 r square z square by pi epsilon naught m v square. Solution. According to Rutherford scattering, the number of particles scattered through an angle is given by n equals n naught nt divided by 16 r square into z square divided by pi epsilon naught mv square cosecant 4 theta by 2. But n equals 10 power 6 alpha particles at angle theta equals 10 degree. K is equal to 10 power 6 into sin 5 power 4 equals 10 power 6 into 5.77 into 10 power minus 5 equals 5.77. At theta is equal to 90 degree, n equals 57.7 into sin 45 power 4 equals 57.7 into 0.7071 power 4, 14.425 particles. Second point is, at angle 180 degree equals n is equal to 57.7 into sin 90 power 4 equals 57.7 particles. Second question, find the density of carbon 12-6, atomic number 12, 612 nucleus. Solution. The radius of the nucleus is given by r equals 1.2 into 8 to the power of 1 by 3, where Fm is equal to Fermi equals 10 power minus 15 meter. Radius of the carbon nucleus is equal to r equals 1.2 into 10 power minus 15 into 10 power 1 by 3. 12 power 1 by 3, that is equal to 2.7 into 10 power minus 15 meter. Rho is equal to 12 into 1.67 into 10 power minus 27 divided by 4 by 3 pi 2.7 into 10 power minus 15 whole cube, that is equal to 2.43 into 10 power 17 kg per meter cube. Calculate the mass number of the nucleus whose radius equals 4.8 into 10 power minus 15 m, that is equal to 3.66 into 10 power minus 15 m, given r naught equals 1.3 fm. Solution. The radius r is equal to r naught a power 1 by 3, a equals r cube divided by r naught, a equals 4.8 into 10 power minus 15 divided by 1.3 into 10 power minus 15 whole cube, that is equal to 50.3, that is 50, a equals 50.3, a equals 3.66 into 10 power minus 15 divided by 1.3 into 10 power minus 15 power 3, 22.3, a equals 20. Calculate the charge, spin and size of lead 82-208 nucleus. Solution. Charge is equal to plus Ze, 82 into 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulomb, that is equal to 131 into 10 power minus 19 coulomb. Spin is equal to the mass number, A equals 208. Thus there are 82 protons, 208 minus 82 is equal to 126 neutrons. As the nucleus has an even number of particles, it has integral spin. Third, size. The radius of the nucleus is r is equal to r naught a power 1 by 3, where a equals 208. If r naught equals 1.4 into 10 power minus 15 meter. 1.4 is equal to 10 power minus 15 into 208 power 1 by 3. 8.296 into 10 power minus 15 meter. 8.296 FM. Calculate the binding energy per nucleon for the deuteron given Mn equals 1.675 into 10 power minus 27 kg. Mp equals 1.672 into 10 power minus 27 kg. Md is equal to 3.343 into 10 power minus 27 kg. C equals 3.66 into 10 power minus 8 meter per second. Solution. A deuteron nucleus consists of a proton and neutron. Mass of proton plus mass of neutron equals Mp plus Mn. 1.672 into 10 power minus 27 plus 1.675 into 10 power minus 27, that is equal to 3.347 into 10 power minus 27 kg. Mass of deuteron equals 3.343 into 10 power minus 27 kg. Mass defect delta M is equal to 3.347 minus 3.343 into 10 power minus 27 equals 0.004 into 10 power minus 27 kg. Binding energy equals delta mc square equals 0.004 into 10 power minus 27 into 9 into 10 power 16 joules. 0.004 into 10 power minus 27 into 9 into 10 power 19 divided by 1.602 into 10 power minus 13, that is equal to 2.25 mega electron volt. Binding energy per nucleon equals 2.25 divided by 2 equals 1.125 mega electron volt. Sixth question. Compare the atomic magnetic moment and nuclear magnetic moment. Solution. Atomic magnetic moments mu b is equal to 5.79 into 10 power minus 5 electron volt per Tesla. Nuclear magneton beta n equals 3.15 into 10 power minus 8 electron volt per Tesla. Bohr magneton mu b equals E h cross by 2 me. Nuclear magneton beta n is equal to E h cross by 2 mp. Mu n by mu b is equal to 3.15 divided by 6 into 10 power minus 8 divided by 5.79 into 10 power minus 5, that is equal to me by mb equals 1 by 1836. Seventh question. Calculate the electrostatic potential energy between two equal nuclei produced by the fission of uranium-92 235 at the moment of separation. Solution. Before fission, uranium-92 235 plus neutron, that is equal to A equals 235 plus 1, that is equal to 236, and Z is equal to 92. Two equal nuclei produced will each have A equals 118 and Z is equal to 46. The radius of the nucleus R equals R0 A power 1 by 3, where R0 equals 1.3 into 10 power minus 15 meter. R0 is equal to 1.3 into 10 power minus 15 into 118 power 1 by 3, that is equal to 6.376 into 10 power minus 15. The electrostatic potential energy between the product nuclei is E equals 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught ZE into ZE divided by 2R. E equals 46 power 2 divided by 4 pi into 8.854 into 10 power minus 12 into 2 into 6.376 into 10 power minus 15, that is equal to 3.81952 into 10 power minus 11 joules. Energy equals 3.8192952 into 10 power minus 11 divided by 1.6 into 10 power minus 13 mega electron volt. E equals 238.72 for 72 mega electron volt. Question number 8. Calculate the energy required to remove the least tightly bound neutron from calcium 40 given mass of calcium 40 is equal to 39.962589 unit. Mass of calcium 20 equals 38.970691 U and mass of neutron equals 1.008665 U. Solution. Binding energy N equals mz A minus 1 plus mn minus MZA. Mass of calcium 20 39 equals 38.970691 AMU. Mass of neutron equals 1.008665 AMU. Total equals 39.979356 AMU. Mass of calcium equals calcium 40 equals 39.962589 AMU. Mass defect is equal to 0.16767 AMU. Binding energy of the neutron equals nucleus is equal to 0.016767 into 931.5 mega electron volt. 1 AMU is equal to 931.5 mega electron volt. That is equal to 15.618 mega electron volt. References. So these are the books through which you can get more information. Thank you one and all.